Iram, what does Sana do in her free time? Sana is your friend, and just imagine it's a fictional character. Tell me, what does Sana do in her free time?
She's a student.
She's your friend.
Uh, Sana wakes up early in the morning for school, and she is a very hardworking, and she is very interested in his study. And she is also 18 years old, like me, and she is my classmate.
Okay.
And we, she like to play with me and talk. She like to play with me and talk with me, and she also live in Bhiwandi, near my house. And
Can you describe your morning? What did you do in the morning today? Like when did you wake up and what happened today? Did you meet any person or what cook did you? Or did you take breakfast? When did you take breakfast and what happened in the morning? Yes.
uh, I woke up at 10 or 10:30 o'clock,
Are you sure? Oh,
and then I brushed my teeth. After that, I took my breakfast. I ate dosa
dosa.
because it's
Okay.
Sunday special, and
Sunday special. Okay, right.
after that I cooked food.
What did you cook today?
I cooked plow,
Pulao, chicken pulao. Okay, right.
and then
Please one day do bring in the class.
inshallah,
We all are starving.
I'm very interested in cooking,
Okay,
and then I took my bath after that, and I came here.
I came here, right. Anything else should I ask regarding? Can you tell me one story in the past which you are attached to, you are passionate about?